Okay, 40 minutes. Let's fighting go. Because I have a call after that. 40 minutes. Where is it? Where is it? 40. Let's fighting go. Fuck this shit. Day 2. Okay, I did this. 0 and 10 members. I have already done this. By domain. Um, um, okay. would be great.
This is the day 3 of the AI Agency Challenge, and I would recommend you just to hop into your challenge tracker and then get started with creating a logo, buying a domain, then creating your website and clicking on these videos to see exactly how it's done. Then add the terms of service to your website, add the privacy policy, connect the domain to Go High Level, and then launch it live on Go High Level. And then once you reach here, you click on this video right here, and then you make a I launched post of your website where we're basically going to be giving you some feedback and our honest opinion on the website that you created. And then once you reach this step right here, you are going to copying the link of your own post by using this template right here. You go to the day 3 challenge, you copy this template and you head over to the group, copy in the template, type in the title I launched, you go over to your website and then you copy in the link, tell us how many hours you spent on it, and then we're going to be giving our honest opinion and feedback on it. Select the category AI Agency Challenge and then click on post. And then once you've posted it, you click on the 3 dots, copy the link, head back over to the challenge tracker, make sure this one turns green, and then you're ready to go on to the next day.
Awesome. Congratulations. You previously built your first agent, which means that now you actually have something to sell, which is the first step. You need a good product, and already that voice agent can make a company a lot of money, because if they miss phone calls, they miss money. So installing that into local businesses can already be enough product, enough AI agent knowledge to make 10K a month, which is crazy. What you want to do now is just create a simple logo, because now you have something to sell, you need a way to sell it. And the way you do that is that you always want a website. You want people, if they get a message from you, if they want to do some background research on you before hopping on a meeting, that they find a clean, professional looking website with a clean professional logo. And don't get me wrong, this shouldn't take more than 1 day to set up. There are people out there that spend like 2 weeks setting up their website, and that is just not necessary, which is why I'll literally show you how to set this up, how to set up your website in the next couple of videos in literally a couple of hours. And to show you, this is my first logo that I ever made, which honestly took way too much thought. It was ABH Agency, and I spent a shitload time on this. We're not gonna do that because that's stupid. Instead, we'll create a very quick and professional looking logo using Canva. So if you haven't already, go to canva.com and create a new account. Then click this create button up here and choose logo, which will give us a 500 x 500 pixel Canva design sheet. Cool. And what I'll do is that I'll literally just head over to design right here, because here you can find very, very clean logos. Some of them will have the premium template right here. And if you really like one, you could go ahead and buy that one. But for now, I'll choose one of the completely free templates. For example, I think this one is pretty cool. I want a light mode website, so I'll make the background, I'll just make that white, and the text, I'll make that black. And let's say that we create an agency for a roofing company. Then this could be pretty fucking clean. Like, this isn't bad. But also on the left side, you'll be able to see a bunch of other designs that you can also choose from. If you are doing an e-commerce agency, you can just choose this and change the colors. You know, like this one looks pretty clean. But let's choose this one. I will call it, the name really doesn't matter. Like, my first AI agency name was ABH Agency, which was my name. And it really doesn't matter what name you give it. For example, Could be something like Shiny Solutions site, Blue as well. Set it into the browser. So let's say that we are working with Rufus. I'll literally just call this Roofbots. It's very simple what it is. It says in the name, and it doesn't have to be more detailed than that. Then I'll make it a bit larger so it fills out the entire. You can see here, there's the white text in the background. I can mark this all, and I can censor it like this. This is pretty centered. So what I can do now is that I can click share and download. If you have premium, you can already now choose transparent background. I'll show you a workaround completely for free where there's nothing in the background, so you get it transparent. So for now, it's just downloaded like this. What I then do is that I head over to background remover, and I take this one, remove background. And this is completely free. All I do is that I take this and I drag it right here, and this will remove the background for me. So that way I'm saving, I'm not spending any money on Canva. Awesome, now it removed the background. What I can do is that I probably don't want this number right here. So if I want to customize further and remove, I can literally just drag here and it's gonna remove it. You can see it removes the number now, like this. Then it's gonna remove that number. Let's say Same I can do right here. I'll remove too much. I'll just go back. I'll do like this. See if we can remove it correctly. Might take a couple of tries. Now we have a logo that I like. I can just click download and I can download the preview. Now we have our logo and we have removed the background. We can now use this on our website. And I'll show you how to customize the website and get your website up and running in just a couple of hours. Awesome. Congratulations. You have your logo, you have your niche, and you also have something to sell. Now it's time to build your website. And this shouldn't take more than a couple of hours. So a lot of people, when they start out, they spend days, maybe even weeks building their website, but that is not necessary at all. What you need to do is you need to take a template and then you need to customize that template just so you have something that looks professional so you can start reaching out and getting clients. Then you can focus on building a better looking website in the future. Inside of your free Go High Level account, you actually have access to our exact copy of our website, which if I go inside of sites and I hit inside of websites, I'll see this main website right here. If I click on that, I see the main page and I can edit it. And this opens the Go High Level website builder, which is you previously built your first agent, which means that now you actually have actually really good. And here you can see the website build of our better looking website in the future. Inside of your free Go High Level account, you actually have access to our exact copy of our website, which if I go inside of sites and I hit inside of websites, I'll see this main website right here. If I click on that, I see the main page and I can edit it. And this opens the Go High Level website. Builder, which is actually really good. And here you can see you have the website builder. You can see you can insert your logo, you can change the colors. So what I'll do is that I'll click on this logo right here, which is going to open this bar. And the way this website builder works is that when I click on a thing right here, this settings panel opens up on the right hand side, where I can change a bunch of stuff. So for example, this logo right here, I can click on this nav bar, I can go down until I find this logo in menu, and I can click on this to choose an image. What I can then do is that I can take the image that we just created, which was this one right here, and I can insert it. So now we have the logo in our nav bar. I can also change the colors of all of this text. And it's the same exact method. I just click on this and I scroll down until I find the color. You can see it says color, icon color, hover text color, and we can change all of this. Let's say that I want the logo, I want the color from this logo. What I can do is that I can take a screenshot of it, I can go inside of Hexi from picture, and I can paste it in, and now you can see I can choose this color, I can find the Hexi color of the picture. So I copy this, I go back, and then I create a new color by clicking add. Add. I can paste in this Hexi color, which is this exact color, and I can click save. And now it adds it as a custom color. You can see we also changed the text right here. I can do the exact same thing on this start here button. I can change the color to our new custom color, and the same for this. I also want to change the border, and the border I find inside of styles, I think. You can see border color. We change that to this blue color as well. So what I can do now is that I can go for this entire page. I can change the text to what I want to say. I can change the colors, and I'll also show you how you get your calendar on this page as well, and how you can update availability so it works with your exact business. So let's just get started. We can change this color of the AI right here to our new blue color, like this, and the same for this close deals and this save time, just like that. And you should also change this text so it says very briefly what it is that you do. Let's say that you sell voice receptionists. Then it can be AI handle your calls. You can change the font size by clicking on the font and then going right side and then dragging this to make it smaller. See, let AI handle your calls. If I don't want this bold, I can do like this so it's not bold.
40 minutes done. Passes like water. Okay, 2 hours for today. Gotta go. Gotta eat. Have another call in 5. Peace.